Alright guys, let's go for a POV night drive. Here's the dashboard brightness. Max setting. Lowest setting. Interior lighting. Lights up pretty well. I love this flat bottom steer design, guys. Very nice. Here's how the rear view camera looks at night. Good trajectory lines, but the resolution's kind of low. This is Android Auto, Apple CarPlay compatible, and it's not wireless, so you have to connect it. Wow guys, this thing is super quick. It's got a really good amount of power. It chirps the wheels. But I'm not gonna try to drive very aggressively because it's raining. I don't want to kill myself, or I don't want to meet some officers. As you can see, it's raining right now, and right here it shows us the wiper mode guidance and the levels. That's pretty cool. This car, guys, has a 248 horsepower to the wheels on 93 octane fuel. But if you put regular fuel, you get an output of 236 horsepower. Let's test the acceleration here one more time. Oh yeah. Losing traction there. Floor's getting wet already. Let's test the audio system. There's a lot of torque on this car. A lot of torque, guys. It responds very, very fast and quick. Here are the maps from Android Auto. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and please subscribe and like my video. Reverse parking.